Hi guys, welcome to another Touch of Film. I have a Plain Archive Blu-ray update. These came in the post this week. Some great titles here. Let's start off with Prisoners by Denis Villeneuve, starring Hugh Jackman, Jake Gyllenhaal, Paul Dano. A fantastic movie, and a film that really surprised me just by performance of Hugh Jackman. I think he gave a great performance in this. Denis Villeneuve, a great director, probably one of the best directors around at the moment. Hugh Jackman is a father whose daughter, along with her daughter goes missing, and Jake Gyllenhaal is the investigator looking for his daughter. Some standout performances here. Just to say, Hugh Jackman's performance is just phenomenal in this, as a father who's desperate. Paul Dano is like one of the main suspects. He gives like one really freakishly scary character. He's like really like quite frightening. You think I don't want to ruin it for anyone. It's just a fantastic movie. Most people have probably seen it. I think it's Denis Villeneuve's best movie, in my opinion, that I've seen so far. I know some people will probably say Sicario or Arrival, but I think this is just fantastic. I absolutely love this movie. And this is spy number 36. I'm going to unbox these as well, but I'll just show you briefly about the films. Next up we have High Rise by Ben Wheatley. Fantastic movie. I do think it's quite a good movie. I'm not going to say fantastic. I do think it's really enjoyable, really quite a good movie. I think it's got very mixed reviews. Some people either love it or some people hate it. It stars Tom Hiddleston, Jeremy Irons, Sienna Miller, and Luke Evans. Tom Hiddleston gives a great performance in this, and I think Luke Evans really steals the show in this movie. Gives a standout performance. It's a story set in the 1970s, sort of like a dystopian future in a way, even though it's set in the 1970s. These high-rise apartments with people from different classes living in there, and it's all really self-contained. You have like a gym, a swimming pool, even like a supermarket, all in this high-rise flat, and it's just like people have no need to go outside other than to work. Some people even just stay in there really. Some really great performance in this movie. Like I said, Luke Evans gives a fantastic performance. Tom Hiddleston is really superb and quite slick in this. I can see why people did want him as Bond. I mean, I didn't see it before until I saw this, but I think he's really slick in this. Sienna Miller, I'm not usually a fan of hers, but she gives a great performance. And Jeremy Irons, as always, is just fantastic. Yeah, and that is spy number 38. Now guys, let's go and unbox this now. So here they are guys, up close and personal. Let's start off with Prisoners. Really nice detail here. That's spy number 36. It's the other publisher involved in it, but it's Pan Cinema. It's out of 1,500 copies, and this is number 53. It says Region A, like always. These are Region 3 with Plain Archive. Every moment matters. It's a cast. A little bit of credits there. Cool, let's open this up. Okay, so we've got the disc there. Here we have possibly a poster. we have some art cards here. Jake Gyllenhaal and Hugh Jackman. Like I said, Hugh Jackman is fantastic in this movie. And a poster. Just one-sided. That's a scene from the film. And it comes with a book which is not English friendly, but Viola Davis there. I don't know. Keeps it really creepy in this. Danny Villeneuve with Jake Gyllenhaal, Hugh Jackman. Side artwork there. We've seen from the movie. Quite a simple release from Plain Archive for a change, and that is Prisoners. Okay, next up it is High Rise. Front is this really nice, like sparkly effect of this blue. There's this rainbow gloss, spot glossing. That looks quite nice. It's slightly embossed, and it is out of 1,000 copies. This edition, there was 2 editions. It's number 33. And some credits at the top. Oh yeah, what I didn't show Prisoners is the sticker in the back. It's got a maze labyrinth there. This one has, it's nice. I always stick these on the back, but these are just really nice, like textured bits here, along with that mirrored bit. Why not? So let's open this up. Comes with a book, which is it English friendly? No, it doesn't look like it is English friendly. It's all in Korean. It's okay. I think this was the main poster of the movie. So that's and this was like, I think it was the artwork for the other edition, possibly. So it comes in this little envelope. Let's see if we can open this up without ripping it. Inside we have some character art cards and actors, as well as a poster. Okay. Showing disc artwork, side artwork. I really rate Ben Wheatley. I think he's a very good actor, good director. I really want to see Free Fire. I missed that at the cinema, but I'll probably get it on Blu-ray when it comes out. Let's just put this in and I'll sort this out later. Yep, so that is High Rise and Prisoners, guys. Still available on Plain Archive's website. I don't know if Prisoners is sold out yet. Otherwise, there's 2 editions of High Rise. I I did prefer this edition. I do like this glossing effect. And I know some people probably don't rate High Rise. I quite liked it, and I am a completionist, so when it comes to these plain archive editions, I'll probably always get every single one of them. Yeah guys, comment below, subscribe, let me know what you think. What's your favourite Denis Villeneuve movie? And tell me what you think of High Rise, or what's your favourite plain archive. So yeah guys, so click subscribe, like, and I'll see you next week. Take it easy guys.